Now destruction is from the Filipino arts. That's totally different now. In destructions, you let him throw the weapon halfway. And when he goes halfway, then you let him hit the elbow. When you hit an elbow, it's how many of this you're doing taekwondo and then you kick the guy in the elbow? Right? Fucking hurts, right? Yeah. Yeah. It's the same shit here. So the thing is, you have a fighting stance, I'm gonna show that too. But when he throws the weapon halfway, you let him hit something. And what happens is you end up breaking all the bones in the hand. That's your destruction. Right? We're gonna work just one entry from this because if you wanted to learn it, you have to have boxing gloves. I'm doubting a lot of you have boxing gloves, right? So we'll just work it where we pretend that we're really good. But destruction is not only from that. Destruction has its origins from somewhere else. It also has its origins from knife. So the idea is, let's just say, I don't know why he would attack me because I have a knife. But if I'm holding it like this and he punches, you're actually cutting the hand off. Now when you drop the knife, the motion is still the same. Right? The concept also exists in your stick fighting. If he has a stick and I have a stick, right? And we hit. If he hits me in the head and hit him in the head, I lose IQ. That means I'm getting dumb. And that's not smart. So the Filipinos, we're lazy. I like to use the word efficient. If he tries to hit my head, I'm going to maintain my distance and I will hit his hand. That means he's trying to reach my hand, but I can always hit his hand. I have an 80% chance of always winning. And that's how, before the States before the US had special forces, they had small units that were mostly Filipinos, like migrated to the States. And these special forces units, before they were professional, they were escrimadores, or Filipino that did martial arts. And when they went to the Philippines and had to fight off the Japanese, you couldn't put up your Enfield rifle or your full machine gun because there's too much stuff in the way. So they would have to take their knives and they had to go against the Japanese when they did the gunfight. And when they would discharge, they would cut the first hand off and then the guys in the rear would take care of it. So that's where that concept comes in. Alright? So that's a little bit history, but now we go to all the fun stuff. So here's the thing. When you start your fighting stance, don't do this. This is bad. Because now you lose all your options. When you get your fighting stance, I want you to have it like this. So your fingers are right above your elbows like this. You get it? Not here, just like this. And in Panantukan, the thing is this, I wanted to make it appetizing for him to hit me. I wanted to really want him to want to hit me. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to open up, I'm not going to be like this, but I'm going to open up my structure. This hand stays this close, so you can always touch the side of your head. This hand is going to go here, and usually you do this. It almost looks like a really bad Steven Seagal. You're doing like that? Yeah. But you don't do this. You keep this hand here so you can touch, and this hand you can make big. Because when I do this, it looks like I'm doing like this. But in reality, it's here. But notice, when I put my hands out here, you want to punch down the center. If I do this, you don't want to punch down the center. So this is the invitation. How many here have Filipino friends? Yeah? When you go to Filipino parties, they always offer, eat something. That's Filipino culture. The same exists in the Filipino martial arts. When I'm here and he punches, I'm saying, yes, punch me please, because I want it. So the first thing, the first instruction is you're going to do something called a gunsing. Gunsing is just a Filipino word for scissor. When he punches here, I'm going to tap this hand on the bar. So if he punches, I tap this. This hand stays out here. And this is what you usually do. What you usually do is you make a knuckle and you keep this up here. And what you do is you're going to slam through this between his biceps and triceps here. And you're going to just literally destroy the muscle. So when I go here, that's I'm hitting that nerve. When you hit that nerve, people's arm goes like this. Now you can continue with your strikes. So when I'm fighting him, I don't go like this and then fight on, but you continue with the rest of whatever it is you have. So just for the sake of, just for this, stand here, he punches, and when you do your scissoring motion, I want you to do pull through, like that. You see it? Not like this, through. If you are a black belt, your partner's arm should be a little bit red. Just a little bit, right? Punches, oh, no, face. There, you hit it. There's two ways you can hit. You can hit the nerve here, or you can hit the funny bone here. Doesn't matter which one you hit, but you hit people's arm does like this. Alright? So I want you to just do that just 5 times because we're going to build upon this one. Everyone get it? Only 5 times. I'm just sharing the art with you, so there's a slight difference. The idea is this. Mark, can I borrow? Right? I have 1 hour and 30 minutes to kind of give you a taste of what this is. In reality, this is not how you work it. Alright, I'll just give you a brief shutdown. When he has his fighting stance, what I'm doing is I'm not going to do this. In Panantukan, I have to make it appetizing for him to hit this. So the thing is this, if you do this, you're only stuck to your boxing. When you do this, you have more options. It just opens up more. Here's another thing. If you have to use this on the street and there's witnesses and they see you do this, it's like you're the one who started the fight because you did this. If I do this, it looks like I don't want to fight. So this is a non-violent posture. But that's the idea. The first one is you have a closed structure, which is just like that. When he punches, that's the first one you do. That's how you deal with the jab. Right? So stand over here so you can see it. You're here and he punches, boom, right there. That's the first one. The second one, it's not that. I'm not here where he punches and I'm just putting it, because he's going to hit me in the face. I'm just putting it in front of my elbow. That's the first one. The second one, I'm doing this. Like that. Now I can get it. So when I'm doing this, is I'm trying to make him figure out where I am. And now I can get the shot at him. So when I'm doing this, I'm making it hard for him to figure out. So he can throw something, and now you can get it. The third one is I'm not here, but I'm like this. And I can go back. So when he jabs, I go back and hit the nerve, right underneath here. I can take it where I panic, and hit like this. Or I can take it where it's calculated, and I hit like that. So you have 3 different fighting stances. You have one that's like this, one that's like that, and the third one that's like this. But that is to make sure that he can never really know where I am, but I'm switching between all these things all the time. So when he throws, he's just going, oh, whatever, and then you take it off. When you use this one, it's not because I'm here, it's because I'm dancing around. He's trying to punch me, there, and now I can get my shot at him. That's how you work it. But if he did that, I would need 2 hours. And I want to be able to show you everything else. You understand? So, here's the big one. Now we're going to do this. Now when you get to this one, like that, I want you to just do one thing. Get your back fist and then kick the thigh. So when you hit this one, like this, and you hit it, I want your partner to fall back a little bit. Again, boom, back, kick the thigh. Just that. Don't kick here, because when you hit, if you're a black belt, this middle line is usually closed. But 80% of the time, the thigh is open. That's why Thai boxers always get it. That's why when Thai boxers came into the kickboxing circuit, when you have all the body people doing this, perfect. They get the leg. Right? So just 3-5 back, get your boots, your back fist, kick the leg. Okay? And then we'll start it with something else. Go, 5 times.